Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on what to do if you'd like to fix ChatGPT response time. Now of course there are a few tricks and tips you need to take note of if you'd like to improve the response time of your ChatGPT. The first thing to do is to manage long conversations. So if you start a new chat session and you need a previous context, simply ask ChatGPT to summarize the progress in a certain thread. So you can go over to the previous thread, copy the part which you're interested in to give it context, put them in brackets, and then ask it to summarize something in the text. Now, another thing you want to do is to archive or delete old threads from your sidebar. You could do this by going over to the top left corner and hover over on the ChatGPT icon. It's going to show you the sidebar. And then here, you're going to go over to your chats. Now, once you hover over chat, you're going to see the three dots there. Click on it and archive or delete. The reason for this is to help the initial dashboard to load faster. And this helps the system as well. So you could archive some chats and delete those which are obsolete. Another thing you could do is to write what you need to write. However, you want to click on the plus icon right here and change the model. Now, ChatGPT has different models depending on the plan you're on, and you can go over to this area right here and select the model you want to have. If you want a web search, Canvas, or quizzes, instead of leaving it in automatic. Now, of course, the main idea of models can be found right here, and you can click on drop down. This account is actually a free account. And of course, if you're on a paid account, you have other models. You have models such as the ChatGPT Mini or the Instant model, or whichever lighter models are there for everyday tasks. Or depending on the type of task you're looking for, you want to narrow down to that model. Another thing we could do is to use the desktop application. Now, if the web version remains slow, the desktop app uses dedicated system resources rather than competing for memory within a browser. So if your browser has other things that need your GPU or CPU, then of course you could download the app using your Windows Web Store or going to the official ChatGPT site to download the app and go ahead and use it as a standalone app on your local drive. Of course, while using your system resources and internet service. Lastly, if you're still having some lag with your ChatGPT, you might want to check the official OpenAI status page for elevated latency. If there is a system-wide issue, the best solution is to simply wait for a while or use other services and then come back to try it again. Occasionally, this happens as you have lots of users on the network demanding for server responses. So go ahead and try these options to improve the response time on ChatGPT.